Up next, report cards coming out for your kids' schools. What it'll mean for you if they didn't make the grade when we come back.
Tomorrow, the state is releasing the latest Ames scores and letter grades for schools and districts across the state. This is the second to last year for Ames testing before switching over to Common Core standards to measure student progress across the state. We're joined tonight by Pearl Chang-Esau, the president of Expect More Arizona, a group dedicated to improving education in Arizona. Good to see you.
Thank you for having me.
Look, we understand that we really can't talk about specific numbers that will be released tomorrow. And by the way, you can read the Arizona Republic and azcentral.com tomorrow morning to get more information. But overall, are you encouraged or discouraged by what's coming out?
I think overall we're encouraged that we need to celebrate the progress, but we still know that we have a long way to go. So tomorrow the Department of Education will be releasing the third year of letter grades for schools. And that's schools being graded on an A through F scale, similar to how you would read a child's report card. And the scores are an overall reflection of student academic outcomes and also growth in student scores. And so from the first year to the second year, we saw a trend of more schools receiving A's and B's and less schools receiving C's and D's. So that's good. And then hopefully we're on a positive track upwards.
And Pearl, how do we compare nationally?
You know, Arizona has traditionally been below average on most subject
Lower 25,
areas.
right?
Yes, and that's when looking at the national report card, the NAEP test. And while our tests on the Ames, our scores on the Ames test have shown that about 3/4 of our kids are proficient, our scores on the national test actually indicate that 3/4 of our children aren't proficient in reading and math. So, and from a national and international standpoint, Arizona is below average.
And is that why your group views these numbers as vital to our overall economy?
Oh, absolutely. You know, the letter grades are just one indicator. So, you know, we need to look at schools holistically, and that's the quality of teachers, the quality of the school leadership. But the letter grades are one important indicator, and last year's scores show that 43% of schools are still C and below. Expect More Arizona believes that every child deserves a world-class education. Arizona has to be world-class to compete in a global marketplace. And so, you know, we've got just under half of our kids going to C schools or lower. We got to do better.
All right, Pearl Chang-Esau, good to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. Hopefully the numbers will be decent tomorrow. You can see how your student's school performed tomorrow morning, as I mentioned, by going to schools.azcentral.com to find out your Arizona Schools Guide. Just type in your school name in the search box and then click on View the Test Scores tab to see the school's letter grade and Ames results.